bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ lóyin òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà.
Good day, Piers. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Iyese Ota. I am staying at Iyese Ota, bàbá olóyin bus stop. Bàbá olóyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Human Problems. Yes, you can get these books as e-books. You can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. If you are within Nigeria, we can send the books to you through courier services. But if you are not in Nigeria, you can get them as e-books on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. Number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin bus stop, Mushin, Lagos. We have branch at Bariga, number 36 Ilaje Road. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. At Surulere, we have branch at number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Number 5C, Akerele Street Extension. Opposite Power Odi, Akerele, Surulere. At Oshodi, we have a branch at Oshodi, very close to Bolade. Number 6 Everett Way. Number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop. Alasia bus stop, behind YTK petrol station. Alasia, Oshodi. Or you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. If you are coming from Abeokuta through Sango, you enter Maruwa to Yanayesi. At Yanayesi, cross the road to other side and take a bike from Maruwa to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. If you are coming from Bowode, Agbara, Ilaro side, you enter motor going to Sango, drop at Yanayesi. You don't need to cross again. Immediately you get alerted, you will see Okada and Maruwa going to Adebisi Iyesi. Then you are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyese Ota. Today, I want to teach you how you and your wife will cry for more rands. You and your wife, or you and your girlfriend, if you are not yet married, you are a bachelor, how you and your girlfriend, you will cry for more rands. It's a very simple thing. I will teach you today. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin original. The program you are watching today is Kele Show television. My phone number is on the screen. 08108431336 is on the screen. You can send your message on WhatsApp or send your message here. We don't normally receive calls here because we used to receive calls on other line, which is Baba Oloyin original television. So what I'm saying now is that, you see, some families, they used to fight over that thing. When the husband is in the good mood, the wife may not be in the mood. What normally causes it? The wife will complain, I'm tired. Sometimes the wife will need it. The husband will come late. He will give you excuses. I'm coming from Ojuelegba. If you see the hold up today, the hold up of Yanapaja, I have to pass through all this other road to Abule Egba, to U-turn. So, this is garlic. This is garlic. Our people, they use it to do pepper soup. Pepper soup. They use it to cook pepper soup. And in the house, people can use it. They add them to their ingredients when they want to cook food, they want to cook soup. It's very good. It's one of the things that can boost the immune system. When you go to beer parlor, you are drinking. If you don't ask for pepper soup, all those ladies there, they will never near you. They won't move closer to you. Even if you are drinking 10 bottles, but immediately they see that you order for pepper soup. When you buy a bottle of that big something you used to drink, and you order for pepper soup, immediately you are taking that pepper soup. Some ladies will move closer to you. Daddy, can I get small minerals to drink? Because they know that your immune system will increase that time. But if you just give me one bottle, big one, you take it, they will look at you because they know you will never be in a mood that time. So, if you are a family man, you are a man, and you want to do this thing, and you want your body to move very well, this is garlic. Just take 7 pieces of garlic, heat it. Here. It will pepper you. As it's peppering you, it's giving you energy. When you take 7 pieces of garlic, find original only. Take 1 spoon. Take 1 spoon of honey. Lick it to suppress that pepper. Yes, 7 pieces is alright. 7 pieces of garlic. Take it. Take 1 spoon of honey. Make sure the honey you want to take is original. You take it. If your wife always complain that he's always weak, he don't have time, so Jenny, is it food? So Jenny, tell her to do the same thing with you. Take it before you sleep. After 1 hour, one have to wake the other. Yes. One person have to wake the other. Either the wife will wake the husband or the husband will wake up the wife. Because after 30 minutes or 1 hour, this thing will work for you. You and your wife will cry for more rounds. If you're a bachelor, your girlfriend comes to visit you, you can apply this thing as well. After 1 week or 2 weeks, you give me the feedback. Yes, 7 pieces of garlic, you will eat it. And take 1 spoon of honey. Immediately you finish eating it, lick one spoon. 1 spoon. Síbi oye kan, ebole lórí. By the special grace of God. Yes, it will boost your energy. Don't forget my new book is coming, African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2. I talk about African magic mirror, how to call back your runaway wife, runaway husband, how to receive mercy from people anywhere you go, how to receive mercy is there, how to win court case if you are innocent. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àrẹ́jọ́ àtẹ̀bí àtàrí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ àrẹ́jọ́. Yes, you are going to meet it in the new book, African Power Part 2. It will be released in December by the special grace of God. It will be released in December this year, 2021. 2021 December by the special grace of God. African Power Part 2 will be in the market. Some people are calling me, Papa, when will the book be released? Well, we are enjoying African Power Part 1. Oh, we want Part 2. Oh, you will see it. Don't forget my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. watch that channel as well and subscribe. Then Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi, always subscribe to that channel because I used to feature there as well. Help me subscribe to that channel. And all of you that are subscribing and watching that channel, I pray all of you, all your children they will be successful in their lives. Yes, anything your children are doing, they will be successful. Anything they are doing by the special grace of God. Ìfẹ́ mi lẹ́dí tẹ́fí bá bí wo channel ọmọ mi ojú òde ní tí. Yes, Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi, you see some comedies he posted there and they also featured there as well. I entertained some people there. Then I loaded some information concerning this my only business there. Mr. Lastborn Comedy Adewusi, help me watch it. Then Mr. Baba Oloye Original Television that you know me for. My phone number for that one is on the screen. You can call me that one. You can WhatsApp message on that one. Don't forget to buy our books. As you are subscribing to this channel, also help us buy the books. It's very important. Yes, you can get these books as e-books. We can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. This program of today, help me share among friends and relatives. Help me share. Then don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Kede Show Television. Kede Show. My phone number is on the screen. 0810 84 31 336. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.